Welcome to my channel. My name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, Grow with Popka, we discuss everything YouTube. How to create your YouTube channel, grow and monetize your YouTube channel. If this interests you, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button below if you have not subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next valuable video. In today's video, I will show you how you can add video tags to your YouTube videos. I will also show you how you can research these keywords, use related keywords to your video, how to add these video tags to your YouTube videos using your mobile phone. Open your YouTube Studio app. When you open your YouTube Studio app, at the bottom, you're going to see content here. Click on content. Right here, you will see all the videos you have uploaded. Simply go ahead and select the particular video you want to add your video tags to. This is the video I want to add my video tags to. So I'll go ahead and tap on the video. The video will open up like this. Go ahead and click on this edit icon. It will take you here. If you scroll down, you are going to see tags, shorts, remixing, and category. Go ahead and click on this. Right here is where you are going to add tags. You can see add tags right there. Click on it. At this point, you can go ahead to add your tags. The first way to get tags for your video is to get YouTube search suggestions through your YouTube search tab. You are going to get that through your own video title, okay? Then another tag you need to add here is your video title. After adding your video title as a tag, you are also going to add your channel name as a tag. So apart from YouTube, another place that you can also use to find tag is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can give you related keywords or related tags for that particular video. I will show you how to use all these tools, okay? Then another tool you can use is vidIQ. It has the mobile version as well as the laptop or web version. So you can write all these tags, put them on a paper, and you enter them one by one. Before we go about adding the tags, let me show you those processes of generating the tags. Then I'll come over here and add them one by one. Open your YouTube app and click on this search button. Type in your video title. That is the video title you want to add these tags to. In my own case, I want to add these tags to a video titled How to Upload Video on YouTube from your phone. This is my own video title that I want to use. So in your own case, enter your own video title here. Now, if you see what I've done here, you are going to see all the suggestions based on what people have searched on YouTube, okay? And these kind of tags are very accurate because these are search that people have inputted on YouTube, and whenever they want to search a related video, YouTube is going to show them these suggestions. People do not bother completing their search. What they do is to just go ahead and select the one that is very suitable for them. So in that case, if they use any of those tags that are suggested by YouTube here, they'll possibly go for your own video. So check among all these and pick the tags that are related to your video title, okay? Don't select all of them. Just write them out, the ones that are related to your video title, okay? If you have another phone, you can just snap it or screenshot it and you enter them one by one. Only the ones that are related to your video title, okay? And leave other ones here. The second way you can get tags for your video is through ChatGPT. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, quickly go ahead and create one. The website is chat.openai.com. Create a ChatGPT account and you are going to see this message bar below here. This is where you enter your prompts. So what you do is to ask ChatGPT to give you 20 related keywords for this particular title. Let me give you the actual prompt you are going to use. So this is the prompt you are going to be using. I said write 20 YouTube tags with high search volume and low competition for this YouTube video titled How to Upload Video on YouTube from Your Phone. So this is the prompt you use, but the only thing you are going to be changing here is this title area. The title in my own case is How to Upload Video on YouTube from Your Phone. So you will only be changing that area. If you change this title area and replace it with your own title, it's going to give you 20 tags for your own video title. So when you enter like this, go ahead and click on this search button. You're going to see the search button right here. Click on the search button and you'll get result. Let me do that right now. I'll click on search and ChatGPT is busy writing those 20 tags. So you can see all the video tags here that ChatGPT has written for me. You can go ahead, you can screenshot it or you copy them, write them on a piece of paper so that you can add them on your video tags. Then the last but not the least is vidIQ. vidIQ is a software you can use to generate tags for your videos. It works perfectly on laptop. So if you are using laptop and you want me to show you how to use vidIQ to generate video tags, comment below and I'll create a video for you on that. Now let's go back to our YouTube studio and let us add the tags we have generated from YouTube and from ChatGPT. So I will go back to my YouTube studio now, and this particular place where you see add tags, remember we are going to click there, and now I am going to paste my YouTube title first as the first tags that are generated there. When you paste the first tag, put a comma and it's going to enter as a tag. Put a comma. You can see the first one has entered. So I'll add another one. Maybe I can just add my channel name first, Grow with Popka. Okay, this is the channel name. After adding the channel name, remember to put a comma and the second tag has entered. That is how you add as many tags as possible. After adding the tags, you are going to click this back button. Then click on this save button and your tags have been saved to your videos. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss my next video as soon as I publish them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.